Traveling with kids can be a daunting task, but with the right preparation, it can transform into a fun and memorable adventure for the entire family. Here, we'll delve into some essential items and strategies to consider when embarking on a journey with your little ones. Before proceeding to the video detail, make sure you have subscribed to my channel, Budget Ventures. More videos like this will be coming soon here. 1. Entertainment. Ensuring your children remain engaged and happy during a long flight is a top priority. To achieve this, it's essential to pack a variety of entertainment options. Consider bringing tablets loaded with their favorite shows or movies, along with kid-friendly headphones to keep the noise level in check. Coloring books, activity books, and travel games can provide hours of amusement. Additionally, don't forget craft sets, which can spark their creativity and make the flight time fly by. These carefully selected items will contribute to a smoother and more enjoyable flight experience for everyone on board.
Hey, fellow travel enthusiasts, if you're eager to turn your wanderlust into reality, make sure to explore the goldmine of resources waiting for you in the video description below. I've curated a list of essential links, including budget-friendly airline options, trusted booking sites, a fantastic YouTube course to kickstart your own channel, and even recommendations for reliable travel insurance. Don't miss out on these valuable tools that can elevate your travel game. Simply scroll down and click those links to embark on your next adventure with confidence. Happy travels.
2. Sleeping aids. When it comes to long flights, providing a comfortable sleeping environment for your children is key to ensuring they get the rest they need. To create a cozy space, consider packing a travel pillow and blanket set or a portable bed. These items offer the comfort and support necessary for a nap or a good night's sleep. Rested and refreshed, your children will arrive at your destination ready to embark on exciting adventures. 3. Food and drink. Keeping your kids well-fed and hydrated during the flight is essential for their comfort. Be sure to pack an array of snacks and drinks to satisfy their hunger and thirst. Reusable water bottles are not only eco-friendly but also practical for refilling during the flight. Opt for healthy snack variety packs that include a mix of their favorite treats. And who can resist the charm of lollipops, which can provide both comfort and entertainment? By having a range of snacks and drinks on hand, you'll be well prepared to keep your little travelers content throughout the journey. 4. Cleaning supplies. Traveling with children inevitably brings the possibility of spills and accidents. To handle such situations, it's wise to pack a selection of cleaning supplies. Baby wipes are versatile and can address a range of cleaning needs, from spills to sticky fingers. Changing pads offer a clean surface for diaper changes or impromptu picnics. Face wipes are convenient for freshening up, and surface wipes help you maintain cleanliness in your immediate surroundings. Hand sanitizers are a must for maintaining hygiene, especially in transit. These essentials ensure you're prepared for any unexpected messes and can keep your kids feeling fresh and clean throughout the journey. 5. Luggage. Selecting the right luggage can significantly simplify your travel experience when accompanied by kids. Diaper bags are excellent choices, even if your child is out of diapers, as they often feature multiple compartments and convenient organization. Crossbody bags offer ease of access to essentials, while backpacks distribute weight evenly, making them comfortable for extended use. Wheeled backpacks combine the benefits of a backpack with the convenience of wheels, reducing the strain of carrying items. Carry-on suitcases provide ample storage and are easy to maneuver. Ride-on suitcases add a touch of fun and functionality for kids, allowing them to ride along and carry their belongings. Consider using luggage trackers to keep tabs on your bags, providing peace of mind and ensuring nothing gets left behind. Choosing the right luggage ensures you can easily access your child's essentials during the journey and keeps everything well organized. Whether you're traveling with a toddler, a young child, or an older kid, having these carefully chosen essentials on hand can make your journey smoother, more enjoyable, and ultimately more memorable for the entire family. As you embark on your adventures, may you experience safe travels and create wonderful memories together. The world is yours to explore, and with the right preparation, you can make every moment count. If you found these tips helpful and would like more travel advice, be sure to subscribe to our channel for future updates. Happy travels!